Hello, it's Bud. This lesson is titled 3D Revolve Tool Helping Pattern Editor. What we're going to do is we're going to use the Revolve tool to give us a little bit of assistance, or a lot of assistance, in Pattern Editor, doing something that I haven't found a better way to do it. And this is just my feeling. There may be other ways, but I'm not going to use a Photoshop or anything like that. We're just going to use the CarveWright software. So let's go to Pattern Editor, and this is a item that I scanned, but I'm not too endeared with this lip on the picture. What I would rather have is just the inner portion of the picture to make as a pattern for the store and for myself, but basically I want to put it in the store. If I go to the magic wand and use an upper or a lower, I can do this in piecemeal, but I cannot do a total circle. Okay. On the wish list we have a request that, just like this box, if I draw this box, I can come into my erase tool or whatever, and I can erase that much of it. So I don't have any problems with square pictures, rectangles, or whatever. I can do that kind of editing. But my problem is if I have an oval or a circle, I cannot edit the way I want as easily as I want. No matter what tool I pick, I'm just not going to get a true circle. So that's what I want to deal with. So I'm going to get out of this screen and come into Designer. And I've got my board. Square this up so we can see what we got. I'm going to make a circle. And place it about where I want it. And then I'm going to the Revolve tool in 3D. And I'm going to draw an arc the way I want it on the board. And I'm going to bring it up to the top. And I'm going to accept it. So now all I have to do is place this on the image the way I want it. And what I'm looking for is this rail to get more of it here. So I'm just backing this out. Not doing a whole lot there, is it? Let's see if I make this just a little bit smaller. Maybe I can get there easier. There. So it's almost there. Close enough for remote work. Oh, maybe that's what I need to. Let's uncenter this thing. See if I can use the arrow here. Well, we're going to see how that works. So I've got them both the way I think I want them. Highlight both of them, do a group, click on the group and the other items is the way I like to do it. Click on Make Pattern and come down here, and I'm going to make this, instead of 23 base, I'm going to make it 23 AA. Base was my first pattern, like my master. So now I can throw all those away, just to have a clean board. Come in here, and I want to find that lighthouse with the 23A. You can't see it right there. Let's see if I can bring it across. There. And we'll bring it into the board. Now I'll get rid of this. So that's the one I want. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to go back to Pattern Editor. And I'm going to go to the magic wand and use an upper. And I'm going to click on here as close to this center circle as I can get. Use the eraser. It's set at a height of 0. So now I can clear that, go back to the eraser, and just come around here. And if you release your mouse every once in a while, that way if you make a mistake you don't have to start all the way over. Looks like I got exactly what I want. Let's go to View and highlight the added area with a different color. And what that does for us is it helps us find anything we might have missed. Looks like it's pretty good. So I'll go to File, save the pattern library, and I want to come back in here, and I want to get the lighthouse AA, replace it, X out of this screen, get rid of that for a minute, X out of this, go back to my library, go to Favorites, get the lighthouse AA, bring it in here, and it is exactly the way I want it. So now I have that pattern. I can also right click on it and I can export it to anywhere I want. You can't see that screen, but that's okay. Like I say, I can export to wherever I want. I have all my patterns outside of CarveWright, and that is how we can enhance what we do on Pattern Editor by using the 3D Revolve tool. I hope that helps.